Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, I need to get my eyebrows done immediately, okay? But don't worry, because that is what this vlog is about. I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog for my birthday coming up. As you guys can see, my eyebrows aren't done, my hair isn't done, my nails aren't done, nothing's done, guys, okay? So we're gonna take care of that because my birthday is coming up soon. But yeah, guys, this is going to be a maintenance vlog. So right now I am currently headed to my facial appointment. I really honestly never got a facial before, to be honest. Like, I got one before, but it was like from the Chinese people, so it didn't really count because I just got it like after a massage. So this is like my first time really getting a facial, so I'm very excited because I'm just curious to see what my face needs, you know, like what does Stephanie's face need? So yeah, guys, I'm excited for that and I'm on my way right now. All right, guys, so I'm here at the place. I'm so excited for my facial. I just need to get this face fixed. Like, I need extractions, all that. Like, and I feel like I have like a hair on my, you know what? I'm not even gonna tell y'all that because that's kind of weird. But have y'all ever got like one hair on y'all skin, on your face? Like, that's so random. Like, this never happened to me before. I don't know if it's hormones or anything, but it's very weird. But yeah, we're about to go in and she just texted me, so I'm about to go in and get this facial done. All right, guys, so I am here. I'm about to get my facial. Do you want to be on the video?
Hi, guys.
Yes. You want to shout out your page or your Instagram?
Oh, yes. You can follow me at Doll Crew Skin on Instagram.
Yes.
I'm located in Union, New Jersey. Sorry if I sound like a dog right now.
It's okay.
I just lost my voice, so yeah. But I'm located in Union, New Jersey. Come check us out.
Yes, come book with her. I'm about to get my first, I'm going to count this as my first facial. And we're gonna see what kind of products I need for the future, and I'm gonna start taking my skincare very seriously. So yeah, guys, I'll just see you guys in a few, okay?
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that.
All right, guys, so I am back from my facial. As you guys, girl, my face was like a newborn baby. Like, do you see my skin right now? It is it is glowing. Who am I? The girl was very, very nice. I actually know her. I went to high school with her, and she also sells yoni wash, which I needed. I got some yoni wash from her. And I also got this sweet yoni scrub, which is like, what? Okay. I definitely needed some yoni wash, so I'm going to be using that and giving that a try. I'm excited to use that. But yeah, guys, this is day one of my self-care vlog. I am really shining like a donut right now. I'm so excited. I'm shining like a donut. And then the lip gloss that she gave me, It smells like honey bunches of oats, and like everything was just smelling so good, as you guys could see from the video. She treated me so well, guys. So yeah, if you guys get a chance, definitely book with her. I'll leave her information on the screen. And yeah, I'm gonna head home for today, and tomorrow is my nail appointment, so I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Hey guys, today is another day. I'm actually getting ready to go to work right now. It's early in the morning. I'm about to take this hair down. I put in some flexi rods because tomorrow is my hair appointment, and I blow dried it and stuff like that, so I just need it styled just for today. So I just put some flexi rods in it just to keep like a little curl, you know, just so I'm not looking crazy until my hair appointment. But yeah, I did get my nails done, guys, but I did not film it because that day was just like a very hectic day, and I don't know, it just was not a vlog day, and my nail appointment was at night, so I know that you guys probably wouldn't be able to see anything. So yeah, vlogging in the winter is very difficult because it gets dark quick and it just doesn't give that same vibe, you know? Like vlogging in the summer compared to the winter, I don't know, it's just different. So I'm just trying to do my best to vlog my birthday, get ready with me. But oh, let me actually show you my nails. These are my nails, guys. Ooh, can you see it? Yeah, I wanted something very sophisticated because I'm turning 28, but I also wanted her to do like her little freestyle. Comment down below and let me know how you guys like my birthday nails. I think today I'm just gonna bring you guys with me and just show you, you know, oh, I need to comb this out. Hold on a second. I'll be gonna bring you guys with me to work so you guys can see how a day at work is for me. Ooh. I tried to like curl it up so it would like curl a certain way, but I don't know. Oh, okay. Well, listen, I'm just trying to make it look decent until my hair appointment tomorrow. I'll be so done with my natural hair. Like, I cannot deal with my natural hair for more than a week. Like, I just be over it. Okay, this looks pretty decent. Okay, this looks decent. Honestly, I don't even care at this point. Like, I just want to get my hair done. But yeah, guys, today I'm just gonna show you guys probably a day in my life today. As a school social worker, as you guys know, if you don't know, watch my past vlogs and you're gonna see. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys my day and keep you checked in for today until my hair appointment tomorrow. So I'm gonna run out and I'll see you guys in a few.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not off, then it's gon'
Alright guys, so I just realized that I didn't schedule a time or day to get my toes done, so I think I'm gonna do that after work. yeah, I think I'm gonna go get my toes done after work. I'm probably gonna get like a French tip to match my nails. Cute little French tip, white of course. So I think I'm gonna do that. Cause I just realized I didn't schedule anything to get my toes done, and I definitely need my toes done because I need everything. I don't know why I have this pimple on my face. Like, I just got a facial done, as you guys could see yesterday. Oh, you know what? I know why. Somebody was touching my face. Somebody was touching my face the other day. Somebody was touching my face yesterday, and I know that's why. I just break out very easily, but yeah, guys, so the school day is almost done. I'm about to eat some lunch, and then yeah, I eat my lunch like at the end of the day, basically, and then I'm gonna see if I have any more work done and prep to do for tomorrow, and then I'm going to head out. So today was a pretty good day, pretty chill day. Tomorrow and the rest of the week I have more groups, so it's gonna be more intense, but today was a pretty chill day. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys once I head to the nail salon, hopefully, and I get these toes done, okay?
It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Play don't stutter till I be. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Play don't stutter till I be. Fuck it, I just run it up.
Oh my god, I look crazy. Hey guys, so I'm at my hair appointment right now. We're about to get glammed up. So I'm getting a sew-in with a side part, as you guys can see.
Shorty back. You know she want the mom when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Play don't stutter till I be. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna.
All right, guys, this is my hair. I am officially birthday ready. Yes. Period. All right, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over.